All right, today we're exploring the Mike Long, what's it called? The Mike Long Railway Market. Once you see it, you're never gonna forget what it is. You've probably seen the viral reels about this market. Let's go check it out. And of course, I'm taking a Bolt, which is like the Uber here in Thailand. We're gonna take a Bolt there. Let's go. All right, stop to fill some gas because it's an hour trip to the railway market. So this Bolt is actually, it's a nice car. It's a Toyota. I don't know what kind. So it's like a little SUV, leather seats, AC, super comfortable. And we're taking the highway. So you can take the local roads, which would take longer generally. To get on the highway, you'd have to pay 50 bahts, which is about $1.40 or so. You pay cash, you go through the toll, and then you can zip on to the highway, which is a faster route to whatever destination you want to go. We did this in Kenya as well. Exciting. Just arrived at the Malkong Railway Market. I can't wait to get started. Guys, this dog has a collar on. The dog's going shopping for some food. That lady's so nice. She took my empty Coke bottles. She's probably saying I'm gonna fill these with sauce. See what I'm trying today. I think I might be doing some cooking today. What do you guys think? Should I?
What to take?
He's laughing at me. Thank you. Oh, not now. Thank you. All right, guys. So this looks like a regular market right here. The train actually passes through here, and all the vendors have to move their shops to let it through. Guys, a full-blown train is gonna pass through here. Watch my big head. Ah. Someone's kicking still. Guys, what I love about this market is that it's an organized operation. We're on train tracks, and this guy has hardwood floors. And fake grass. Everything's so organized, and it's just peaceful here. I wonder if this is real crocodile skin wallets.
How much is it? How much?
Oh look, guys, they take Amex. As apparently American Express is the default standard here. Is this a real head? And those are fake eyes, but that's real, huh? 2,500 baht? Mm-hmm. Okay. How much is that? I don't know. 2,500 bahts. How much is that? 80 bucks or something? Okay. We can bargain?
Yes.
It's very nice.
Yes. Very nice, very strong. And you have more inside.
You got more inside? Oh yeah, you got bags.
And this one, how much you can bargain? I don't know they can sell you.
I don't know. I might want a bag. I'll see.
How come?
Let me take a quick peek. This is great. Look at this. Wow. Guys, this is the kind of stuff you can't find easily. Guys, even though it's shaded, I'm still sweating. All right, just hit my head. The cat. This cat looks like a part tiger or something.
Hi, cutie. I know.
All right, we're not the only ones to know about this train. All these folks are waiting for it too. Guys, you think they have enough menus here? Look at this menu. I love a menu with photos, but this is huge. incredible. So the train passes here 4 times a day. The last stop is down this way. And it's a little over an hour away. So I'm gonna walk around, do some shopping, do some haggling, meet some of the local folks, and then watch them all scatter as the train comes by at 2:30. I could nap here too. Look, these folks are sitting here waiting. They've set up shop right here. That girl has a portable fan pointing at her whichever direction she sits in. This part's the most intense. Guys, I can't even stand up straight here. I actually hit my head earlier. So all these tents have these poles right here, and they push them all back to let the train through. And then as soon as the train passes through, they bring them back down again. I see we're in the seedy part of town. I'm gonna have to blur those out. Big, sweet, and good. You could be talking about me. What's the name of the shop? What's the name of the shop? What is it? Talarumbu? All right. I butchered the pronunciation. But she has them set up really nicely. It's very nice. Thank you. Kenya needs these. Gotta be careful walking because there's like rocks and then bricks and then tile. So if you're not watching your step, you might trip. She makes a Coke slushie. All right, so she's filling up the cup with crushed ice. It's a big cup. It looks like a venti. That's the one. Tap it on the bottom. Open it up. So as soon as she opens it, it freezes. Then she shakes it down. So you got that slushy Coke on top of the ice. Can you tell I need it? It's a nice hot day. Nothing like a slushy Coke. Let's do the full experience. Pink too. Thank you. Appreciate it. She gave me a pink straw to match my pink shirt. All right. Oh, the straw has a little scooper. All right. See? Just a frozen Coke, but it's so cold. It's the size of my head. Very refreshing. Guys, it's never too early to take a siesta right in Thailand. We got some live entertainment. Hello. There you go. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. It's Railway Market Entertainment. Thank you. Everyone's so nice here. Guys, these are soap carvings. Alright guys, I'm thinking about it, moving to Thailand and opening up one of these shops. I'd be so good at it. But I think I might drink all my profits because I love coffee. And this is an iced coconut latte. Right, this is the end of the train tracks. Because everyone's setting up shop, waiting for the train. Because not everyone here is a tourist. Some people actually take the train and that's where you buy your tickets. All right, I might hire him for my channel. All right, my street crossing skills are a little rusty. Guys, if you're looking through this, like, you would never think that a train passes through here. Look how low everything is. Tents here. I think this is the one I hit my head on earlier. My head's hitting this tarp. I'm not messing with this lady, let me tell you. I am not messing with her.
Get it?
Here we go. Oh, I can't sit here. Guys, if you want coconuts, she's your gal. Put on a show.
What?
Oh, no. Next time. I guess he's selling pork. Thank you. Appreciate it. I wonder, is that chicken or is that pork?